What's up, gang? It's Brian B.
And Miss Megan.
From somewhere in Indiana. This is what it looks like behind us. There's my car. We got one of the cameras we shoot videos on that's going to be shooting there. And we're going to bring you a move of the week from the line of totality somewhere in Indiana, April 8th. We're about 30 minutes from it being dark. We're going to share some of that footage with you. Let's take a look at the move, and then we will show you kind of what we saw if you didn't get the pleasure of seeing this. All right, so here's the pattern. It's very sunshine related. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 more sunshine. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4. So how do we break this down? It's going to start like with a cross hand hold, like a hustle whip, right? So this would be a hustle whip with two hands. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, right? So take a handshake hold, this one underneath. You can just do the hustle whip. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's the base pattern. Then we're going to play with it with the sunshine over the top, which is odd because we're actually having less sun here in about 30 minutes. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, right? She's going to go 7, 8. I'm just going to walk 7, 8. 7, 8 for me to get my footwork back. Now this is just a big old sunshine thing. So from here, if you want to practice baby steps, you just let go of the hands so you can re-switch out and around. And when we were just playing with this, dancing on the road, this is underneath, was it? No, that was on top. We just sort of played with this, and you could just do a sugar push, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, but with that right hand, this hand over the top, I'm just checking for cars and bugs around us. So what we did was we did a little rock and go off of it. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6 for a point for me, and then we roll and sit, and we bring her back up and triple step, anchor step. We looked at the whole thing from the other side. Handshake hold, this is underneath. We have 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for me. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and point and sit. And tuck and step, triple step. And check this out. Someone's coming through. In 3, 2, 1. It's like there's 10% of a sliver left around the top side. See the glass. Whoa. Whoa. That's so wild. Holy cow. Look at this. It's chilly. Oh, like the littlest sliver. Tiniest. It's the tiniest sliver. Whoa, and it's getting lighter. Like, wild. Yeah, it's still dark, super dark on that side, and like way light on this side. If you want to see the last video we did during a solar eclipse back in 2017, I'm going to put that up right here. That's worth a watch. And if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, you should do that right here so you'll be notified next time we put out a cool video like this. Have a great time. See you on the dance floor.